Okay, and then question 17 of the HKDSE 2022. In this case, we are using the ratios for their length and the heights. Okay, so we were given that the ratio of PM to MQ is 5 to 6. So that is right there, 5 to 6. And then the ratio for the QN to NR is 3 to 4. So we use these two ratios there. Okay, so next thing we do is we would assume that these 5, 6 and the 3, 4 are the bases and the heights. So I'll assign a ratio because it's just a ratio. We don't know the actual value. So to make it an actual value, we would add a constant to them. So that's why we would introduce a constant of height to using the letter H for its convenience. And then for the base, we use a constant B for its convenience. So that the actual values are now in terms of having a factor of H and B in them. Okay, and now because you asked, the information given is that they gave you that this is 59 right there. Okay, so to get that area, you have to basically get the big triangle to subtract the small triangle. So the big triangle got a complete height of 11H and then the complete base of 7B. So in that case, it is 11H times 7B, base times height, divided by 2. So that's the area of the big triangle, taking away the small one. The small one has only a height of 6H and then the base of 3B, and that also divides by 2. And the question gave us that should result in 59. And if you do the maths on this now, it's 77BH minus 18BH, and then we would multiply the 2 to the other side. You will actually get that BH value is a 2 in this case. Okay, so we don't need to care what B is or what H is separately, because you will observe that whatever we would do for the calculation afterwards, that would have a BH in there still. So what is it? They're asking us to find the area of M and Q, which is right here. And we already did that. It's 6H times 3B over 2, right? So it's 18BH over 2. And we already know that BH is actually a 2. So we replace that in there, and that would give us the answer. Actually, the area for the triangle M and Q is 18. So the answer is B.